Hi friends, I am Arun Gidu. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. So this is video number 35 of our series HVAC system, and our today's topic is supply duct system. So in this video we will see the types of supply duct system, and also we will see its advantage and disadvantage. So for any HVAC system, its efficiency depends on the design of supply duct system. If our supply duct system is not properly designed, then we will not get the proper efficiency and proper temperature and humidity in the designed area. Okay, so for getting the better efficiency, our supply duct system should be properly designed. Okay, so in this video we will see in detail regarding supply duct system. So first of all, see what are the how many types of supply duct system are there. So its types are mentioned here. First is extended plenum system. Second is reducing plenum system. Then reducing trunk system, spider system, radial system, and perimeter loop system. So these are the types of supply duct system. Okay. In today's video, we will see in detail about extended plenum system. In other next videos, we will see in detail regarding all this uh, supply duct system in detail. But in today's video, we will see in detail regarding extended plenum system. Okay. So in extended plenum system, a large main supply trunk of equal size is connected directly to the air handling unit. You can see here in this picture, this is the air handling unit, and one is a large equal size main duct is connected to this HU. This is main duct. Okay, and its size is that means its thick, its cross section area is constant throughout its length. Okay, and its maximum length is 24 feet. Okay, it should not be greater than 24 feet. And from this main duct, some runouts are connected. These are runouts. Okay, and we also call this as a branch ducts. Okay, these are connected to the main duct. Okay, its major advantage is it is simple to construct because there is no convergence and divergence in the main duct. Okay, its cross section area is constant throughout its length, so its manufacturing cost is very cheap. Okay, and in this system pressure balancing is very simple. Okay, but its major disadvantage is that we can't extend this length beyond 24 feet. Okay, if we are extending this length beyond main duct length beyond 24 feet, then what happens? There is a pressure generation at the end of this duct. Okay, and due to pressure generation in the end of the duct, what happens? There is less pressure in this ducts, in this branch outs which are closer to the HU. Okay, so in this branch outs we will not get proper CFM due to high pressure in at the end portion. Okay, so this is the major drawback of this extended plenum system. But this drawback can be avoided by using like this arrangement. Okay, this arrangement is known as double plenum extended plenum system. Okay, here HU is located at the center of the duct, and at the one side of the at one side of this HU we can construct maximum 24 feet main duct, and other side also we can construct maximum 24 feet main duct. Okay, that means we can cover total 48 feet area by using this arrangement. Okay, and also while designing the extended planar system, we should keep some points in mind. Okay, so first one is single plenum should not exceed 24 feet in length. That means single plenum is nothing but like this arrangement. Okay, while using plenum system, our main duct length should not be greater than 24 feet in any condition. Okay, and when we are using double plenum, then our total duct length from here to here, it should not be greater than 48 feet in any condition. Okay, and third point is never locate a takeoff in the end cap. End cap is nothing but at the end of this main duct. Okay, we should not never take off. That means we should not attach this branch duct at the end of this main duct. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press the like button, subscribe the channel and share this video. If you have any query, then please comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.